Here we have parts of the body: ears, tongue, nose, eyes, hands. And here we have senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. We have to match these senses with the body parts. For example, ears is for sight, hearing, smell, taste, or touch. Okay, ears is for hearing, tongue, sight, smell, taste, or touch. Taste. Nose. Nose is for sight, smell, touch, smell. Eyes, sight or touch, sight. And hands is for touch. So here we have 5 senses and the parts of the body connected with the senses. For sight, we have eyes. For hearing, we have ears. For smell, nose. For taste, tongue. For touch, hands.